we're here at the C10 Nationals. I'm with Hammerfab, and we brought this 1950 Chevy truck that we built for one of our clients. So we built this truck last year. It took us about a year to build it from start to finish. It's got a full Roadster shop spec chassis. It's powder coated black. It's got a 4.8 liter Don Hardy LS engine with a Bowler Performance 4L60E transmission. Sitting on 16 and 17 inch steel wheels with white wall tires, and then bodywork, paint it, and put it together all at our shop in Texas. So I'm originally from Missouri, just north of Kansas City, and I grew up here in the name class of parts. And I have a 58 Chevy truck that was my first truck, and I use a lot of parts from you guys. And so ever since then, that's how I kind of fell in love with the sport or whatever, the hobby. Eventually turned it into a career. I mean, it's cool that this is our first paint job. As a business owner, that's a huge milestone, and there's a lot behind that to get the shop set up and get a customer that wants to do that and do it really nice to the level that we want to do it. So that's a big deal for me that this is kind of the first one. It's kind of a feather in the hat, That to me is pretty cool, but also just a really great customer, from start to finish. The reason he brought it to us was because the truck he had was falling apart. And so I suggested, hey, maybe it's time to upgrade the chassis and everything and make this thing where you can actually enjoy it. So that was our goal, and that's what we did. So now you can get in it, start it up like a new car, and drive it anywhere you want. I'm just glad to be here at the C10 Nationals. Weather's looking like it's going to turn out good, so ready to enjoy the show.